What's up YouTube, this is Nancy. Today I'm going to show you this EE9714 Mauve. Okay, now let's begin. First, let's check the box of the shoe. Okay, Boost 700, and the bottom of this box Adidas, and the side Easy Boost 700 made by Adidas. Okay, and this is the size label. Let's take it a look closer to check. You find the US size, UK size, and the color, also the barcode, the label here. Okay, very clear. And let's open the box. A shoe paper here. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, now let's look at this shoe. First, let's take an overlook of this shoe. Okay. Now let's check the upper of this shoe. We find the suede material here around the toe box. This is suede material, and this part is mesh material, and on the shoe toe it is rubber material here, rubber. Okay, and this is the shoelace, and this is the tongue, very thick and soft tongue. And this is the white tag. This is what written on the tag. Okay. Size here. Size. At the side of the shoe, we find here two eyes. Suede material, mesh material. The same at the other side, mesh material, two eyes, and here suede material in gray color. Check the back heel. We find the holes here, 8 holes, and here 8 holes. Mesh material make the heel very comfortable and thick. Okay, now let's check the side here. The sole, midsole here, and the light green circle at this part, very shining. Also two light green circle here. The outsole is also mauve color. And here also mesh material, and inside this part there are 3 straight straps. And when I turn off the light, it will give out light. I will show you how it works now. You can see, right? Very amazing, right? Okay. Okay, now let's check the outsole. And here we found the 5 white circles, and this material is boost. When you press it, you feel very soft, very soft, the boost material here. Adidas logo. Okay, now let's take the insert paper out and check inside. This part we found a white label. We found the size here. Here, Yeezy. The tongue is very thick, and at the side of the tongue we found 2 elastics here and here. These 2 elastics are to make the tongue fixed. So now let's check the insole. I will take the insole out. Okay, check the insole. Adidas, Yeezy. Also gray color, and the other side white. Number here, and Adidas logo. So now let's check inside. A white circle. Okay. Very good material, and it feels very soft and comfortable. Okay, this is all I want to show you about this EC700 Mauve. If you have more questions about this shoe, just contact this WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp, and you can talk to me directly by this WhatsApp. And make sure follow my ins, because I upload new products every day on my ins. And please do me a favor to subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching my video.